guys, in this video I'm going to share with you my eye look. I'm using the Snap Shadow Fenty Beauty number 8. All the shades are very pastel and soft. I love it. So now I am applying the Mulala in green shade. The shadows are all very pigmented and shimmering. So basically I'm applying on the top and also at the bottom of the corner for the green shades. Next, I'm adding the Dirty Denim right next to the Mulala shades, which is in light blue. I blend it up together, and then the same thing I did apply on the top and also at the bottom. Now I am applying the Lady Pink, which is more to purplish shade, right next to my Dirty Denim. Here's the sweetest color, which is the Ice Cream Kisses in pink shade. It is super sweet, and I'm applying right next to the purple, which is the Lady Pink shade. Last but not least, I'm adding the yellowish gold color just right at the corner of my eyes. Done with all the blendings and colors. Right now I am applying my black liner, which is I'm using the tattoo eyeliner from Katt Fenty, which I got it from Sephora. This tattoo liner is goddess. I really love it. It is super manageable, smooth, and also waterproof. For your info, this is my first time using a black eyeliner, doing this different kind of wings and more dramatic eye look. Right now, I'm applying my falsies. It's magic time, so I'm using the concealer from Tarte and I'm concealing all the under eyes area and also on my pigmentation. I'm using one of my favorite mascara, a waterproof black mascara from Etude House. So this is the last step for this eye look. I hope you enjoy watching and love it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.